So this is a really gorgeous weekend travel bag by Chloé. Chloé Héloise, absolutely beautiful. The leather is gorgeous. So it has got the double top handles, which are part plaited and part flat, so that it's comfortable when you hold it. I'm a UK 8'10", I'm about 5'4", so it gives you an idea of the size. You can really pack this full of stuff. If you pack like me and you pack everything, it'll all fit in. Comes with Chloé dust bag. There are 3 main compartments to the bag. There is the front compartment, crested closure, big spacious section there. Exactly the same on the back, crested, spacious compartment. And then you've got the main centre compartment, which does have a magnetic crested again. I mean, look at that. It is massive. So it's got one zipped pocket, and then it's got one flat pocket. And then on the front, there is this little sneaky crested small pocket here, which I can't get into. There we are, tiny little pocket there. And also it has got one sneaky little zipped pocket on the top as well. Just there, okay. So really, really beautiful bag. I've lost the handle, there it is. Okay, gorgeous bag. It makes me want to go away just so that I can buy it and use it. Beautiful, beautiful leather. It really is gorgeous. Condition-wise, we've said the hardware is good, and the exterior and the interior are both very good. So the hardware just has signs that it's been used, but the exterior is in fantastic condition. The interior, there's no marks on the interior either. I'm showing you the corner so you can see how good condition that bag is in, and it has got studs, 4 studs on the base as well. There's one in there. Okay, so yeah, beautiful, beautiful Chloé bag. There is a link to this to our website. If you go to the comments below, there's a link to take you straight there. There's a link in the comments below that will take you to Instagram, so you can follow us on Instagram. If you sign up to a newsletter on the website, we will send you a discount code that you can use for money off your first purchase. This really is beautiful. If you want a little weekend bag, this could be the one for you.